good morning. Today is very important day for us because of Supreme Court's verdict, which will be coming out today. I just hope and pray, and I am manifesting that it will be in our favor only. Supreme Court should not do anything that will make lose Indian citizens trust in judiciary system. So yeah, let's pray. And otherwise, मैडम को वॉक पे लाया है and there are 2 dogs there, so she is not in her all senses, you can say. She gets pagal, she gets crazy. Chal ut. Inside, let's go. Now I have to take her inside. So because of this, then she demands to come inside for work. आज तो हेजल के साथ मिली भी आई है वॉक करने. And some other dog is also there. Millie, off. Millie, चल. Hazel, off. Good girls. That's good girls. Milo, the one good girl is Milo. Look at Ayla. So I knew I can handle Hazel, but this one, she is actually friendly with all the people and dogs, but you never know, right? And she listens to me, so I use that. इनका बस ऐसे ही रहता है बस. इसको ये तो खेलती बहुत, उसके साथ बहुत खेलती है, बिकॉज द डॉग इज़ लिटिल बिट हाइटेड. His height is pretty much good and bigger than Hazel, so Hazel likes to play with the dogs who are bigger than her. Small dogs she will just bully or just snap, nothing else. So my mom work as a teacher in government school. She teaches in primary schools mostly. So I would like to tell you the infrastructure they have in this schools, the government schools. First thing, only the village is in school, obviously. And hardly for each standard. Okay, something was there in my head. Okay, so for each standard they have hardly 1 or 2 kids. So say for first standard they have only 2 kids. For second standard they only have 1 kid or something. So my question to the people who are saying that what is the wrong if government wants to shelter them in some facility. Yeah, it's a wrong thing. You are actually snatching their independence. Any person or animal deserve to roam free. Now about the infrastructure of these schools, mom tells me that they don't even have proper bathrooms for the children and for the teachers. They don't have proper bathrooms. They don't have proper cupboards or even the blackboard also is not, means it's damaged. See, government is providing all the money, that only, that also I understand and I agree that yes, government comes up with so many schemes and so many things which can help these people. But when, before it comes to the bottom, to the people who actually needs it, nothing left, nothing is there. Miss, but the people who are actually in between this, from the source and destination, if you say, the people who are there in this, in between this source and destination are eating all the money. And I don't know, miss, I don't support this, even a thought of keeping dogs in shelter. It is not ethical, it is not logical. Now Millie is initiating play. Hey Hezu, इकडून ये. Hazel. खेळ तिच्यासोबत, ती खेळायला सांगितलं तुला. खडूस आहे एक नंबर. हेझल इज खडूस. नीलू ना खेळत तुझ्यासोबत. So I got to know from the trusted resource, you can say, that you see these mountains just right in front of me. These mountains have been bought by the builders. I don't know, maybe Hiranandani, Godrej is also there. There is Riyasat also. So I don't know if you can see that there is this a patch of mountain also where all the trees and everything is just taken off. It's like someone has just raised it off. And just imagine the destruction it is going to do. Miss, these many trees they are going to cut down to build the properties. Okay, these many trees, miss, can you imagine how many ecosystems will be there? Like how many animals will be there, how many insects will be there, birds, all of them are going to lose their homes to our homes. Miss, I don't get it, yaar. I don't get it. That's why I haven't even thought of buying my own property in any city, for that matter. And I don't know if I will buy any other any property for myself. I am strictly against this. I don't believe in this, yaar. I don't believe in investing in more than required number of properties, number of flats you are buying now. See, these builders, they don't care about you or your children or your or our nature also. They don't care about it. They just want to sell their flats. And if you, like a fool, are going to buy one property, two property, three property just because you have the money, it's just going to cause the destruction. It doesn't make any sense. If you don't require it, why do you want to invest so much? Invest in the land, invest in growing the land, invest in growing forest. Why do you want to miss? I don't know, miss. Some of you will say that okay, we invest for our children. Okay, so if oxygen is not there, what your children are going to breathe? This is just absurd and it's stupid, yaar. It's stupid. I actually lose my control and my sense when it comes to this, it feels very bad. I know I am also living in the same society, but that is just because I don't have any other option. And other than that, I'm just renting it out. So see, buying something or using something that is necessity is, yeah, I understand that, but just because you have the money, you will just support these builders, nothing else, and they don't care about it. This is our रोज का नाटक. घर पे आना नहीं है मैडम को, चलो घर पे. अच्छा ठीक आहे, तू आहे ना, नको येऊ, मी चालले. नाही, मी चालले. अगं ए, घरी आना नाही होता. हे जो घरी जायचं, हे जो 8:15 झाले. लेट्स गो. चल उद्या येऊ. उद्या ना तुला मी 2 तास फिरवेन, बस 2 hours. प्रॉमिस 2 hours. Haze, look at me. Hazel, look at me. Hazel. नहीं देखूंगी ही नहीं, मुझे तुम्हारा थोबड़ा देखना ही नहीं. बघ, चलना ग बबो, चलना घरी, चलना. You're a good girl, no? You're a good girl, no? उद्या मी तुला प्रॉमिस देते. प्रॉमिस. येस, उद्या आपण फिरू, मस्त फिरू उद्या. ओके. प्रॉमिस. घरी चला आता. ओके, नाही तर उचलून न्यावं लागेल मला तुला. लेट्स गो. चल ना हेजू. उसको पता है, मैं उसको पिक करूँगी अभी. थांब ना. हेज, काय करते तू? चल घरी चल घरी. काय रे, this is what we do when someone not listens. पडेन मी तुझ्या नादात. तर फ्लोर इज टू मच स्लिपरी. इसको उठा के लेके जाओ मॅडम को. मेरे मातीनं पूर्ण माझा ड्रेस खराब केलास बाय द वे तू. शी हेट्स दिस ना. हो चल. Disappointed. कशी झोपली होतीस? घाबरले मी. Look at her. How she is sleeping. घाबरले ना मी. हा, असं झोपतात. Okay, you want to see tempting site for pet parent? Look at this. ये क्या है? इतना स्ट्रेट लुक क्यों दे रहे हो? इतना स्ट्रेट लुक क्यों दे रहे हो? ऐसे ही खाना खा के ऐसे होती है, देख लो. No बब्बुला नजर को लागू दे. So this is how our Friday night looks like. I had to work pretty late today. It's almost 9:50 now. I was still working Now just I disconnected. While working only, I had my food. I gave them the food, and now I'm just chilling. I'm watching Andhera, uh, the new web series that is released on Prime, and this is what Hazel is doing. She's grooming herself, and Siri is there. She's there in the hall. She's, I don't know, maybe she is sleeping because she has teased so much to Hazel. She was just doing masti for almost 1 or 2 hours with Hazel. So yeah, this is how we spend our Friday night. And Akshay has gone to party with his friends. So Hazel is actually waiting for him. So yeah, she knows like what time he gets back home. So at that time she mostly wait for him. And now also she was just sitting there in front of the door and just waiting when he will come. So he will come late night maybe, but yeah, we are going to have our movie night together, me and Hazel, because Siri is sleeping. I have strictly told her that she cannot be on bed. She has to go. हाँ bed. Go to bed. चल go to your bed. She just doesn't want to go to her bed. That is her bed. But she wants to go here, or else here she is. Or else she wants to be with me on my bed. Why? Why I have bought this 2 beds for them? This one likes to sleep with Akshay, and this Pagal, she will just sleep with me. I don't know why I wasted my money. Good night.